Peace, assalamu alaikum. This is Lorena Rashid, and I'm coming to you today to talk to you about one of my favorite Scentsy products, the Scentsy Fragrance Flower. So, first of all, I'm going to show you how it comes. This is how it comes. This is wood fiber, and you get a bottle of oil with it. And now they have it shrink wrapped, so you can't, open it up until after you paid for it, right? Somebody paid for it, then they get to open it up. Anyway, you take the little seal off. There's a plastic cap down there. You take the plastic cap off, screw this on, and then you can drop your flower down in the oil. This is handmade out of wood fiber. And when they first started making these, they couldn't keep up. We were selling so many so fast, they had to hire more people. They're made over there in India, so they had to hire more people to make these by hand because they kept running out. And this is the new style. This is the bell, call it buttercup. This is buttercup. So it's more petals on this one here. This is dahlia, and this is the buttercup. So you don't want to do a lot of coloring. This here, I colored just the tips of it, and as it absorbed the oil, the colors spread out. So how interesting is that? And this is another one that I did with multicolors. I can't not color them. It's just too tempting. Okay, so this has been in the oil for a minute. There's a little oil left. This is for a small space, for a bathroom or a bedroom, on your night table, your office desk. Now, mind you, you're going to get nose blind to it, because if you just have that same scent all the time, you're not going to smell it after a while. So you might think, oh, it's not smelling anymore. No, you just nose blind. But people that walk up to your desk or come from, a different area, they'll be able to smell it because it's new. It's a new scent to them. It smells so good. So, fragrance flower, it comes plain. Use permanent markers to color just the tips. You don't have to color the whole petal, just the tips. Whatever your favorite color is, whether it's blue or green or red, whatever your favorite color is, you can color it all one color, or you can mix it up. So, closest thing to magic without being a magician. So, you guys have a peaceful day. Peace. Assalamu alaikum.